Alright, so we are going to hear more testimony from Lamiroir. Wow, okay. Is that a compliment or not? I'm not exactly sure. I'm not gonna worry about it, I'm just gonna be cool. What you want to do is get to this statement, I think. And I think you want to press this statement. And Apollo suddenly gets the bright idea of actually asking what the people were saying. I don't know why it took him so long to ask this question. That would have been the first question I would have asked. Yeah, what did he say? It's over! Press the switch now! Oh, I'll shed some light on this, Your Honor, but first, let's add this statement to the testimony. Okay, so the switch that the murderer talked about is obviously this switch right over here. Yeah, it was found hidden inside the piano. Alrighty, everybody. What's the evidence we are talking about? We are actually talking about the headset. So shortly before the killing, the killer told somebody on stage to press the switch. That's all very interesting, but what does this mean? Okay, well, think about it, everybody. When was the switch actually pressed? Just think about it, and I'm sure you'll be able to come to the proper conclusion. Wait, you don't know, Klavier? This is the switch that controls the igniter. So here, obviously, you want to present the igniter. Yeah, Apollo. Don't set the judge's beard on fire. Alright, so the switch controls the trigger. The switch controls the igniter, and the igniter was used during the second song. Therefore, the switch was pressed during the second song, so when the killer said, "Hey, press the switch," the killer said this during the second song. So the real time of the killing had to be during the second song, not during the third song, as we have previously assumed. That's where Apollo is going with this. Well, I think what's bugging you is the fact that the killer must have had an accomplice. Who could the killer's accomplice be? Okay, Klavier is going to object because he still thinks that the killing took place during the third set. Okay, this is the 8th time we've seen this video. I'm still keeping track of how many times we see this video. Think about it, Your Honor. Why do we think the killing took place during the third act? Maybe our reason for thinking so is completely wrong. Yeah, see, I still don't think that's right. And I think now we are finally going to prove that this stuff about the crime following the song is completely ridiculous. Yes, that's how it happened. The killer followed the song in order to trick us into thinking that the shooting took place during the third act. When really, the shooting took place during the special song in the second act. Alright, so way to go, Apollo! You have just proven that the killing really took place during Lamiroir's song. And who's somebody who doesn't have an alibi for the second set? That would be our murder suspect, Darian Crescent.